right? Those are crazy tight.
Dude, that is
something is smoking.
That is an amazing gun.
Oh yeah, it's powerful, man. That swept.
Yeah.
Hey, hold on a second. How loose is this in there? It might be that it's too loose. It's because I find that when the sockets are very loose.
Wait a minute.
Oh,
Socket's cracked.
Is it?
Yeah. Right
Where?
there.
Is it?
Yeah,
there, too.
I remember that.
Holy fuck, man.
Dude, I told you that socket needed to get replaced.
I can't even. Twice.
Yeah, it was cracked.
And there.
Yeah, alright.
This didn't work. Nitro cat didn't work. Electric Matco gun broke this snap-on socket. Cracked. Cracked this socket with
Unbelievable.
and stripped another socket.
Oh, you don't have enough room.
No. If it stayed in there, it'll work.
I think that one's stripped, believe it or not. Oh no, the socket's stripped. Bye.
What?
Oh my god, look what it did to the socket. It killed it.
The hell
Oh
happened
my
to the
god.
socket?
Holy shit. Oh my god.
The lug nuts didn't even.
Are there enough tools on the truck to get these bolts out?
Using the whole Matco tool truck.
That's crazy.
Fucking broke tool my socket. Fucking snapping it off.
I saw that. That's crazy.
Fucking crazy tight.
I love how
That nitro cat's powerful, man. Let me tell you.
Yeah, that usually takes everything.
Yeah. Not this.
Yep. It didn't even break the socket. Damn. And this one didn't take it off either, right, Mark?
Nope.
Warranted.
No way. Yeah, don't strip it, dude. You'll never. Yeah. Forget it.
Is it warm?
Breaker bar. Can you believe that? That's crazy.
Do you have a breaker bar?
Yeah. I'll show you.
Do you have another 17?
Yeah.
You
You
don't.
want to cool that one off?
No, it's good. It's good.
Do I stand here?
Holy fuck, man. That's fucking crazy. See, that's sticking out too far.
Mark, you gotta get in the car. Yeah.
There you go. Step on it.
There it goes.
Wow.
Good thing you didn't get a flat tire.
Oh, he'd be done.
Yeah, it'd be there till the end of time.
I bought that breaker bar years ago, man, and I got stuck on the side of the road one day and I couldn't get the wheel off. I'm done.
Come on, Chris, don't be a pussy.
You ain't gonna have sex for a month after this job. You ain't gonna have sex for a month after this job. Look at it.
Don't be a
About
pussy
to get
about it.
it.
What are you doing?
He's gonna get a whack
Quit
job.
jerking around.
Yeah, right. This is fucked up, man. Wow. The fuck? I've never had
Getting a
one give me
workout?
this much trouble.
Yeah, it's like a paraplegic swinging a purse. I would say it's going, but it's not.
You got it.
Oh, look at that. Only 3 more to go.
That's fucking stupid tight, man. Whoever
I
put
think it's
that
just
on
they're like rusted in there.
there. Yeah.
Well, not just that. It's
Well,
the old.
some have problems with the taper grow on them, and when you tighten them too much, it just makes an imprint in the wheel
Yeah, this one's gonna make an imprint.
on him.
Yeah.
There you go.
Fuck
Now you're
you.
getting the nut.
Did it go?
Should we use Loctite and tell them not to come back here again and use the impact, put it on?
Oh,
Oh.
crazy tight. Unbelievable. Should I call the chiropractor after you're done or what?
I don't know. This might help me.
Right.
I think I already did that one.
Yep. Hold on.
No, you got that one to do.
Which one? Nothing there.
Give me that there.
There's 4 left. There's 4 in there.
Oh, I didn't know there wasn't.
Yep.
I managed to get one out with the impact. That's about it. Yeah.
What about the other one?